What's your name?
Sassy Pretty Kia too. I'm 5 years old.
Where do you study?
Two.
Where do you study? Where is your school?
Data center.
Where is that? Villa Verde?
Here.
Don't stop moving. Charlie. What is your brother's name?
Clark Stevens. Gia too.
Your daddy's name?
Jeff.
Jeff.
Ron.
Jefferson. How about your mommy? What is your mommy's name?
Aisel.
Really? Do you know how to use that cell phone?
No.
What do you want to do after school? What do you do?
Mag-school mag-play.
What did you do at school?
Nagsulat kami.
What?
Nagsulat
You speak in English. I don't understand you.
Yun na. Yun na.
Ayoko na. What is your name? What's your name? It's dark. What's your name? Hi. Hi. Superman. Superman. Yay! Superman Pippin. Superman.
Mama, first tayo.
Superman. How old are you? How old are you? Superman, how old are you? Clark. Clark. Clark Stephen Digiachu. My name is
Clark.
Clark. Mali. What's that? What's Oh, yo, yeah, dance, Pippin, dance,
May
Pippin,
picture.
dance.
Pa-picture ako. Yes.